Hello everyone, welcome back to Captain of Industry. I'm Krydax, and we are going to be having a great time in this episode. It's been a little while since my last episode, though for you it will have been recently. So I need to remind myself what we're doing here. It also just said something about my diesel being low. What's up with that? Well, that's not good. Didn't I have plenty of diesel just a little bit ago? Where is it all gone? I'm trying to remember what we were... Oh yeah, we were looking towards copper stuff. I feel like I don't remember my diesel being that low. It's really bad. So what I need to do, because this only produces 24 a minute. And according to... How do I get to fuel easily? I wonder if there's an easy way to get to fuel. Other than what I already did over here where I have to click twice. Oh, I guess there's just statistics. I need to figure out the hotkey for that. Oh. Fuel. Last 100 years. I mean, yeah, my production vehicles have used a lot. Power production's used a little bit more. And my production has not kept up. But wait, didn't I do the math and it works out okay? 24 times 12 is how much we should be getting, which is about 300. Because this is 12 months worth. So we should be getting more, so something else is wrong. There's plenty of coal. What happens here? I don't actually know. Let's, I mean, I trust that this is telling the truth. And it has oil. These are all running. We have power. So I'm just gonna let things go. We should be okay. We should be okay. Now, where are you going with that? Okay. Oh, it's because of the ship, maybe? I don't know. It needed 80. Well, we should see diesel going up, so hopefully that happens. In any case, we need what exactly? We've got sand, we don't have gravel. These are not running due to a shortage of what? Water. Okay, that's right. We were looking at advanced construction parts is one of the main things we were looking at. Another thing I'm thinking I definitely need is another tank here. 180 diesel seems like a pretty poor stockpile considering how much I spend. So what I'd like to do is build another diesel storage, maybe 2. Trying to think of where to put it that would be helpful. I didn't really set this up for success because I don't think I can move this sideways. Yeah, you can't join to a ramp, so I need to figure out how to stop making ramps the first square. But that should get it done. And we've got one guy going for advanced parts. And he is currently on, so he's set to go. He's set to make electronics. How are we doing with electronics? Still not building up. Oh, that's because we're running out of copper. That's right, that's right. We've got rubber production going, though, I think. That's what this is. Yes. Oh, that's using diesel. That's a big part of it. That's using a third of our diesel right there to make rubber. So that's meaning we're only getting 16 a minute, which if we look at our fuel consumption, that is pretty close to needing all of it then. So I guess this guy is the issue. Interesting. Interesting. So I'm gonna need more diesel production pretty soon. And I think diesel's the last thing we want to run out of. So maybe I should pause. Do I have a rubber thingy? I don't think so. So rubber is only stored in the output? Is that right? I do wish it showed on the storage the icon of what's inside of it. That would be helpful. Is there a way to see like the inputs of everything? I don't know. Now, why are you not producing construction parts? Maybe it didn't have enough resources a second ago? This guy's doing the same thing. Let's just make sure it properly switches over. It did, okay. He's out of slabs, so that's why that's paused. And electronics are all going to each other. See, that's part of the problem. See, now that one should be empty. I didn't mean to click on it. Crap. Oh, it's sharing the electronics. Okay, never mind. But it is kind of annoying because their buffers are all filling because they all have vehicle parts as an option. So it's filling all of those, and the rubber's taking the diesel. Diesel is building up, thankfully, so we have a little bit of time. And it looks like trucks can't get here? What's going on? Or are we just still out of construction parts? According to this, we have some. There we go. There we go. $60 throughput. 60 out of 60. Technically it's 54, so don't know why it's saying 60. Oh, sorry, that's its maximum. So a pipe can only handle 60 a minute. Which means if I want to copy all this, I need a separate pipe. And I need 139 units for that. A fuel station is finished. Let's look at what that is. Fuel station. Trucks assigned to a fuel station will automatically refuel excavators and tree harvesters at their working site. Oh, that's cool. I like the sound of that. I don't like the sound of not having enough fuel for my excavators, so... Now this one, is this worth it? Why did I want those? Oh, the groundwater pump. I think. I need 40 though. You know what? I'm not gonna have that for a while. I just need to turn that off. And, well, here, why don't I pause it instead? Save myself the workers. And we're just gonna need another one of these guys. Now this is a problem because I can't... I wish it would... I wonder if that could be a setting where it would default to... what am I trying to say? Like, it would default to setting it up in such a way... I need to wait till that's deconstructed. Where it would be flat on the input, so you could connect another one to the input. Because it defaults to kind of being squiggly ramp at the final square, and squiggly ramp can't connect anything, whereas this can. So... okay, so pipe from here to there to up, and then that should work, and then I can connect to here. There we go. Trucks, how are we doing on trucks? 7 unassigned. That seems okay. According to this, it's not good though. 12 are assigned to mining, 7 of which are idle. Do you have 2 assigned to you? No, you only have 1. That's good. Coal has 2, as it should. Iron has 6. Okay, that's where most of them are. But we need that iron. Currently, we don't. Why don't we need iron currently? Guess we just don't. Okay, well, I'm going to unassign one then, because we've got a lot of trucks sitting around doing nothing. Bloop. Oh, I did the wrong button. No, I didn't. That was right. So what's he go do if... yeah, what do trucks do if there's not enough space? When they get unassigned, do they just dump it somewhere? Okay, rubber's backed up. That's good. That's what we wanted. We can also use sulfur instead of coal. I don't know if that's a much cheaper resource. And then we don't get wastewater. Slightly faster at making rubber. Same amount of diesel though. It's still 2 to 3 ratio. Okay, we're starting to see vehicle parts. That's good. These guys continue to need rain. We really need rain. And what's this? Cannot reach destination. Note that this vehicle cannot drive under conveyor belts and pipes. Can it not go here? Oh, wait, what the heck? He's just stuck? How did this happen? Well... I don't know what to do here. Maybe this will get you unstuck somehow? Or you've truly managed to get yourself completely stuck here. He's not out of fuel. Interesting. So maybe I have this wrong. Maybe it needs that? Mining priority. How about dirt? Will you... I can't force you to mine. So I need to assign another... I just need to build another excavator, I guess. To dig him out. Gosh, I don't have the vehicle parts for it. I'm gonna have to unassign an excavator from somewhere else in the map. Didn't I have 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's my 5th one? Oh, the sand one. I forgot about sand way over here. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna have to unassign the old X key. Assign another one here that can help fix your stupid issue. And I don't know what this was either. Oh, that was when I was digging the hole to China. Yeah, this one I don't understand what happened here. But I think the other excavator should be able to get them out. Irrigated Farms. Alright, what's an irrigated farm? Well, it costs 1 billion of the yellow parts, so we're never going to see that. Irrigated farm that can be connected to a source of water. That could be useful. Yeah, I bet it could. How is our food supply, by the way? Still saying about 18 a minute average. And we're eating 15 a minute, so we should be okay. That's a big enough margin, I think. We'll survive. Alright, here comes X-Ski number 2. Oh yeah, let me pause it real quick. We got a lot of things to do. So this needs water input. Oh gosh. You know what? Hold on. I really don't like this, but it'll work for now. Might as well put it next to it, because it's going to have a pipe anyway, unless we want to have the pipe go all the way up and over. So that'll be our electrolysis. Connect a pipe. Again, I'm in blueprint mode. I think I keep accidentally hitting B or something. And we need impure copper. Okay. So we just need the copper ore and that'll be fine. Okay, the other one got loose. The goose is loose. I missed it, but there it is getting fuel. Okay. So then we need to go back over to iron, assign another one. Also, they changed the area. You can make them bigger now. Look at that. Bam. So this game seems to be updated pretty frequently. You know, since I started playing, they already released a big update that made all sorts of frame rate improvements and quality of life improvements, and they're not showing any signs of stopping with that, so that's very exciting. So I think you can expect this game to keep getting better. Also, it's raining, which is very good. We need the rain. We need that rain. Holy cow. Also, how does it know which way water's flowing? It's curious. I wonder how it knows. Because the arrows are correct that it's drawn. But I wonder how it knows. Figures it out somehow. Okay, so this is collecting water. It didn't collect... Did it collect enough? What's the... It did. Good. Also, I didn't notice that you lose a few copper. Because it's impure. Alright, so for copper, we do need another excavator. Good, we can finally afford it. And I believe this is copper. Yep. So the only other resource after copper is gold, which is over there. And I will need another control tower for copper assigned dudes. I think we'll start here. Go to there. And I'll assign one truck for now. We're not going to need a ton. And then we'll assign the excavator that gets built. Sweet. Pickup has no compatible excavator. Oh yeah, we know that. We're building it, don't worry. Don't you worry. I would like that fueling station, but we don't have any of those advanced parts yet. Is it time for me to start building them? Question mark? How is electronics not? Oh, we're out of copper. I was like, by now I would have expected it to start building up. No, we're not out of copper. So I guess some of them are going towards vehicle parts, but not that much. How many are prioritized on vehicle parts? Those are all construction. That's only spending 1.5. Was there something else that's spending electronics that I'm not thinking about? Electronics. Nope, our production is way bigger than consumption. So we should... In fact, where is all of our electronics? Oh, well, there's some. I guess it's all stored up in buildings? Or, yeah, I don't even know. There you are. Okay, copper, get going. Very busy. Wonderful. Wonderful. And I don't have enough vehicle parts for another truck. I could save myself a truck by doing a pipe. It also says excavators can't drive under pipes, which I find interesting because that must mean you can't make them very tall, right? Like if we were to do this, and what's the hotkey? Control Shift QE. Okay, 3 height is the maximum. So that makes sense. Definitely need more water. Is this our first copper delivery? No, that's still cool. Dang it. Truck's not even there yet. Speaking of deliveries, somehow it felt like 6 trucks was far too many, and now 5 trucks doesn't seem like enough. Because this is emptying out. So I guess I do need 6. Really puts the hurt on. I need 2 more trucks and I'm just gonna have to wait for them. And then we're gonna copy this guy. Is that okay? Can they get to the outside? Wastewater, diesel needs to go straight. Wastewater can go up. Yeah, that should be good. Okay. And then we need a few more of these bad boys. Pick them all up. Incompatible port at end? What? Oh, you have to like go this to there first. And then you can join it in. I guess that's how it knows maybe what direction things go. It has some sort of requirements there. Crap. Hold on. We did this wrong again. I want these both to be connected to both, not two separate ones. So that means we need a pipe from up here to there, then over. And then that gets... What? No! What are you doing? The heck? No, siree. You just go from there to there to there. There you go. That's what we need. Also, finished crop rotation. Farming. Oh, we should pause it. Okay, it's paused. This is gonna be good stuff. So managing your island's industry wasn't enough for you? You decided to be a farmer as well. So let's cover some basics. Farms grow crops, and crops can be used in various places, but mainly to feed your pops. Crops and pops. Crops don't grow for free. They consume water and soil fertility. Water is replenished by rain, of course, even for greenhouses. Rain's not reliable. External source of water is recommended. Irrigated farms distribute water when the soil gets dry, so externally supplied water does not get wasted. Farm yield gets reduced if crops don't have enough water and may even completely dry out. Fertility is a bit more complex. When a farm has 50%, okay, that's fair. It only produces half. They consume fertility daily. They also have a daily natural fertility replenishment, meaning there's some sort of equilibrium. Yes, there it is. Fertility equilibrium. If you don't rotate your crops, you get a fertility penalty. Yep, okay. You can rotate regular crops with green manure, which increases fertility but doesn't yield any extra products. And then there's fertilizers. Okay. Pipe with fertilizer to your farm, yada, yada, yada. Okay. Probably not going to be doing that for a long time. Our research has gotten light years ahead of our actual ability. I didn't realize how much water was going to be a drag on building parts. You know, I didn't really expect that. Thankfully, we have plenty of cement now. But cement was never the issue in the first place. And sand, we have enough. And slag, I think we have plenty. Are we keeping slag somewhere? I guess here, there's some slag. But that's not the crushed slag. So these guys make the slag directly, and that gets taken to this dude, who then crushes it. Okay, and then if we end up having more, it'll go there. That's good. And then we empty out if we have too much. I guess I could have a crushed slag storage. That could save me some time. Can we do crushed slag? We can't. Okay, we'll just fill up one. Now, what are you doing? Cannot deliver wood. Yeah, I guess I'm really not using wood for much. I think it's only in, yeah, the construction parts recipe. So that's not too bad. Copper is still not running. I'm a bit curious what's going on over here. Where are you and what are you doing? I maybe need 2 trucks for this. This is really far away. Oh, he drove over the iron pile. That's fun. Yikes. Yeah, he just hasn't gotten to copper yet. Oh, there should be a dumping over here. Dumping designation. We'll just go right behind here. So let's see if he dumps the dirt right behind. I'm hoping dumping is about the closest dump. We shall see if that's accurate. Okay, what are you gonna get? Yeah, now you got copper, so you need to go somewhere. Good, you are gonna dump right there. Okay, so we're about to get our first shipment of copper. Good deal. Coal pile is going strong still. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's a lot of coal there. Iron Mountain is just doing great. Sweet. And how's dumping going? Well, it's getting there. I might just add another spot here, but 6 is high. You know, right now the terrain is at 2. So that's 4 units, and by 6, you know, that's, we haven't even gotten that far, so we're okay. We're okay. Okay, good. Vehicle parts building up again, so we should see those soon. Building parts are holding steady, which is really encouraging. I like that. And diesel's building up. The advanced parts, apparently they're going. Okay, yeah, this guy's doing advanced parts as well. I kind of forgot about that. And how many slabs are we doing? 12, 12, 12, if we have enough water, which we don't. Now, why are you running that one? What is going on here? This makes no sense to me. Oh, we didn't have enough slag. Okay, hold on. That's not how this is supposed to work. It's just because we don't have enough trucks. That's what it is. That's what it is. Yikes. Yeah, I mean, we're only at 6 trucks. 14 are assigned to mining, so... that is the problem. I'm gonna queue 2 more after that. Pickup trucks forever. What do they need again? Iron? No, rubber. Rubber and diesel. Okay. Well, we are producing those, so that's fine. Lots of diesel here. Rubber's backed up, so that's spending less diesel. So we should see a pretty low diesel usage recently. Yeah. Here, let's turn off those 2. I just care about total, honestly. Yeah, diesel is fine. Won't have to touch that for a while with the second plant I put in place. And the yellow parts are slowly, oh so slowly building up. And I'm trying to decide what to do with the first ones. I think groundwater pump, because one of these is equivalent to, you know, like 20 of these. Their average is 3.5. So yeah, this is the first thing I'm going to build for sure. But I have to build it over here, which is the unfortunate part. And it does say groundwater replenishes from rain. So I'm thinking that I can build this close to the edge, and it will, right click, and it will draw out all of this groundwater, and every time it rains, that groundwater will refill too, I hope. And is that why I could build a farm there? Can I build a farm? No, I can build a farm anywhere. So I wonder if groundwater has anything to do with crops. Because that looks more about just rainfall, and that might not be related to groundwater. It's kind of hard to tell. Okay, trucks are stable again. That's good. I guess we got one more out there. Definitely still out of water, but we'll get there. Hey, we're halfway. Nice. Also, do potatoes decay at all? Does food decay? I have no idea. And is our iron back to being good? It is. Electronics are building up. That's good. Construction parts. Look at that. Fully backed up. Time to Oop. That's not what I meant to do. Time to unpause you. And start getting a few more. You know, it could be fun if you could select almost like an in and out for the same building. So like electronics that are produced here can't leave, and then don't deliver any. So then it'll always like produce electronics, use them, you know. And so you could kind of have a self-sustained assembly line within one building. That could be cool, considering they can make different recipes. Because, like, I want to share those inventories. Okay, conveyor belts are finished. I'm sure that's great. I'm not going to use them yet, but we're going to go ahead and pause research, get some more Unity back. And there you go, flat conveyor and U-shaped conveyor. Loose products and solid products. Cool. So wood is a solid product, worth remembering. Most of the other raw resources are all loose. I think wood is the only exception, and I guess cement. But cement isn't a raw resource, you make it, so never mind. But yeah, you need 2 per conveyor, I guess. Or, well, let's get, okay, how much counts as 1? So 1 square is 1. 3 squares is when it gets to 2, but then you get 3, 3, 2. So it's some about every 2.5-ish units of length uses 1 of the advanced parts. Something like that. Tree harvester cannot reach, does it? What? What's your destination? Oh. What? You can't get to that tree? Come on, man. Disappointed. Well, we'll take that off the designation then. Okay, it's also worth doing our ship exploration, because we haven't done anything with that yet. So we can explore these locations. So let's explore over there. Ship on the move. Cool. There she blows. Toot toot. Toot toot. Alright, gotta take a screenshot of that. And build a couple more trucks. Are we out of rubber again? Looks like it. Oh yeah, the maintenance depot. Do we need another one of these already? Global need. I mean, it's still getting a full output, but I'm a bit concerned. Maintenance here. Ooh, yeah, I mean, they're running close. But that looks like max production. Whatever, I'm just gonna leave it for now. Oh, there's another one? Come on. Can this not support all the slag? I guess it can't. They need 27. Interesting. So we need another crusher. Okay. Crushes rock into gravel, gravel into sand. Do we really want to do that now that we're getting sand? I have no idea. Location explored. Ooh. Cargo ship technology. Hooray. Start repairs. Oh, so we have to go get 240. Maybe we should explore over here. How much fuel do we have? Is that over here somewhere? Fuel reserves 1,300 kilometers. Okay. Cargo ship. Cargo ship allows to automate product deliveries from world mines and oil rigs. The ship has to be discovered on the world map and repaired. Once you repair a cargo ship, you can build a cargo depot to start using your ship. The number of ships repaired and discovered is shown in the status bar. You need a cargo depot module on any of the highlighted slots. Each cargo depot module corresponds to a slot on a cargo ship. It can transport multiple types of products. Departs when there's enough to collect. Each journey has a fixed cost of fuel. Larger ships are more efficient. Cargo depot automatically refuels. Okay. We can use one ship for multiple resources. Seems good. Oh, heck yeah. Groundwater pump is done. Okay, so we need a pipe that comes all the way down to here, which is going to mean my excavators can't go over it, which is annoying. I don't love that. But what can you do? So even if you were to dig underneath, excavators still couldn't go under it. Surely there's a way. Yeah, because I mean, this makes it pretty restrictive to just throw pipes around. Oh, I guess you could fill up one tank and have another tank and just have trucks go back and forth. Oh, right. No, we have the ramps. Sorry. We can build the ramps. So I could make it go down and underneath, which is probably what I should do. Low food supply. And see, that doesn't make sense to me. You've claimed an average of 9.2 potatoes per minute. Okay, we're gonna get about 70 in 2.5 months. 70 is enough for 6 more months, about. Do I need another farm? I might. They're not very expensive. I'll just get another one going so we don't have to worry about it. And then I do need to delete a section of this. I don't know how long. I'll have to math that out at some point. Ooh, a large even goes 2 tiles tall at some point. So a small will be fine. Thank you. And then we need the pipe to go underneath. And then... what are you doing? Oh, I guess it's too many tiles. So we need 1, 2, 3, it looks like, to get down underneath. Yeah. And then this is there, and then we need 1, 2, 3 to get up. Perfect. Okay, so that's how you deal with excavators. So then excavators can't go here, but they can go around. Cool, cool, cool. And now we have one more connection to make, which is to here. Right? Yeah. Only 3 squares back and it works. Coolio. Alright, so that'll get copper running at a rate of 19.5. What's our input? 4 for every electronics maker. So that can support almost 5 electronics makers, and I have no other copper costs at the moment. So that should be fine. Sweet. And then I do need, we'll do a space here. I need a storage for construction parts too. Ooh, we found pops. Fuel reserves 338. Okay, we gotta go. What happens if you run out of fuel? I guess we'll find out at some point. You have to build a whole nother ship to go refuel it. Is it just me, or does that not look like an engine? What even is... Oh, what are we looking at here? Is that just water? It's a little confusing. And I can probably delete all these. I mean, it is free water, but... So is this. Oh, where'd it go? So is this. And as far as I can tell, we got plenty of groundwater here. I'm not sure, like, does this reduce over time? It said it replenishes with... Oh, there's the reserve. 15,000 water in reserve. And I imagine it's replenished during rain. Okay. So once it rains, I'm imagining the rate of replenishment is pretty big per tile. Or do you think it's equivalent to these? So essentially it's like this is one giant rainwater harvester. Equivalent to if we covered this whole section with rainwater. That could be it. I'm not sure how that works. Not enough housing. Oh, is that because our ship came back? Yeah. Sadly. I was trying to avoid building more housing, but we'll just do that. I guess we've got the extra farm now. Should help out. So we should be fine on food for a while. Sweet! Okay, well, we've got our first advanced parts building, and we're well on our way to more. I think a fuel station should be next. And I think we should pump fuel into it from over there. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Hopefully trucks can get underneath that. Vehicle parts are looking okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and build a couple more of all these things just so I can have them ready. I'm sure we'll need them. Allow any vehicle to refuel. Assign trucks. We will assign 2 to be refuelers. We'll see if that's enough. I'm guessing it'll be enough a lot of the time, but there will be certain times where it's not. How much slag are we making, actually? Oh, we only make 12. Oh, so the 24 is if these 2 are running constantly. Which they're not because we're out of coal. I don't know if that's a truck issue or an excavator issue. But the other truck ain't back yet, so... So is that all the waste? Holy crap. Waste mountain over here. Holy dumping. We're gonna need a lot more space here. Oops, I just deleted one somewhere. I think we need another excavator, actually. No, it's sitting there waiting. We need another truck. We'll start with 3 trucks. Wasn't something... What else is spending coal? Am I remembering correctly? Yeah. We're spending some more coal on diesel, too. A little bit on rubber. Not much, though. But for a while, we weren't making our own diesel, so that didn't matter. Guys, look at this. We are becoming the captains of industry. I'm impressed. This base is looking great. We've got all sorts of diesel. Got a groundwater pump. So yeah, I do think I'm going to have to call it an episode there, but as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next episode.